Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a matching necklace and earring set using our Gemstone Basil Charm Pendants. Here's the tools and materials you'll need for the necklace. First, you can go ahead and attach your clasp to one end of the chain. Then you can go ahead and take your 4mm jump ring and attach that to the other end of the chain. Go ahead and secure that jump ring. And then next, you can go ahead and take your 22 gauge jump ring, attach the top of your fan connector to the middle of your necklace chain. And then you can go ahead and attach your gemstone charm to the bottom of the connector. And you're all done with the necklace. Next, we can go on to the earrings. Here is the tools and materials you will need. First, you can go ahead and take one of your jump rings. Go ahead and attach the top of that fan connector to the earring hook. Then you can go ahead and use another jump ring to attach your gemstone charm to the bottom of the fan connector. And then you can go ahead and repeat these same steps for the other earring. And you are all done with the earrings and the necklace. Here is the earrings. And here is the matching set. You can head over to our channel for more tutorials and design ideas.